Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway, or one of the finished sections. We're just on the outskirts of Grandspent, and this is what the Southern Coastal Highway is going to look like. This will give you a very nice view of what the highway is, and also look to the right where you can see the Caribbean Sea. A very nice view. So from this point, so if we were going to go to Grandspent, we would turn right here. So from this point to the Yallow's Bridge, this is what the road is going to look like when finished. Some sections are not finished yet, but 4-lane dual carriageway with the Jersey barrier in the middle. Very nice highway. This is what you say, a job well done. Now, some sections of the highway will be open soon. They had said that the entire stretch from Harborview to Yallow's Bridge would be open by the end of April, but I'm not too sure about that one. You guys can check out the videos. We're going to give updates every week to see what's going on. But this side of the highway now, this section is complete. Well, the other side of the road is not opened yet, but it's there, it's paved. So basically you can say this section is finished. This section can definitely be opened by April, by the end of April, which is 3 weeks time, without a doubt. It's just to put in the white lines on the other side. It's paved, good to go. Some sections won't be finished by the end of April. So remember now, this highway is going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Portland, to Port Antonio in Portland, where it will merge with the Northern Coastal Highway that will take you from Portland through St. Mary, through St. Anne, through Trelawney, through St. James, through Hanover, into Westmoreland, where it stops in Negril. And then Phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project will involve building a highway from Negril through Westmoreland, through St. Elizabeth, into Manchester. So you can drive around the island on highways. And in Manchester, you can connect with Highway 2000 that takes you to Kingston, to Montego Bay, to Ocho Rios. So the entire island of Jamaica will be connected via first world highways. You have some roads in Jamaica you call a highway that are not of this quality, but you will have roads like this right around the island when that plan is finished. And the only section that has not started work yet, well, two sections, is the Negril to Manchester leg. That road has not started yet. It won't start until this section is finished. And the Northern Coastal Highway is going to be upgraded starting later this year. So it will be 4 lanes, dual carriageway in some sections. Some sections will be remaining 2 roads. Bypasses will be put in. That project hasn't started yet, but it's going to start this year. Alright, so we are, I think this is Albion. So this section now, it's going to be 4 lanes. The road will run along the main road, which is what we're on. So the main road will be upgraded to 4 lanes and the Jersey barriers put in. So this section has a lot of work left to be done. So it's safe to say this section will not be completed in 3 weeks. I think when that statement was made, it was right or wrong, or some miscommunication. Some sections Actually, I think the exact words were practical completion by April 2023. Not sure what that means. We have a video up of the speech, the exact words, everything, so you can check it out. But so there you can see on the left now they're going to be working on the additional lanes, but this won't be finished in 3 weeks. This section, some sections will. But check back the channel every week, as we will give you weekly updates on this project until the end of April. So this is the Yalos Bridge that we're coming up to now. This is a very long bridge. We should actually Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe.